Welcome. If you ever feel overwhelmed by emails and wish you could deal with them later, Gmail's Snooze feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to snooze emails right from your Gmail app, so you can stay organized and focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your account and your inbox is loaded. Next, find the email you want to snooze. You have two quick options here. You can either long press on the email to select it, or simply swipe the email left or right in your inbox if you've set up snooze as a swipe action. Both methods will highlight the email and reveal more options. Now, look at the top bar of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the three dots menu. This is the vertical stack of dots in the upper right corner. This menu gives you access to additional actions for your selected email. From the drop-down menu, tap on Snooze. This will bring up a new screen with several suggested times, like later today, tomorrow, or next week. If none of these fit your schedule, you can pick a custom date and time that works best for you. Once you've chosen when you want the email to return, tap to confirm. The email will disappear from your inbox and move to your snoozed folder. At the time you selected, Gmail will bring the email back to the top of your inbox as if it's brand new, so you won't miss it. And that's it. Snoozing emails in the Gmail app is a simple way to keep your inbox tidy and make sure important messages come back exactly when you need them. Try it out the next time you need to hit pause on an email. Your future self will thank you.